Det her er Sofie Nielsen Production. Det her er Sofie Nielsen Production. I'm gonna tell you a joke about your dick, but it's too long. Oh, I'm gonna tell you a joke about my pussy, but you'll never get it. Kan du se den her? Det er jo lidt, så får du en gave af Gud. Og det er bedre end at se mig i øjne. Den her gave har du aldrig forventet, du skulle have. It's like a butterfly, no fly, because you're my only one. You're the only one. Baby, I have in this world. Det hedder faktisk has. Men okay. Because this is a butterfly. And now, my camera dame vil tage over. Okay, if I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I think of you every step of the way. 'Cause I will always love you, and I will always love you. Bittersweet memories, that is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need. And always love you. I hope life treats you kind. I hope you have all you dreamed of. And I wish to you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love. And I will always love you. And I will always love you. Hold op. Din liderlige ansjos. Stop den. Det var bare for 10 år.